Isn't he? God, such an ass. Welcome to Mama Deb's Kitchen. We are back after a little hiatus.
You were in jail.
No, I wasn't in jail. I wish I would have been in jail. Yeah, 30 days straight in the clink. No, just
Insane asylum.
spending time with my beautiful son. That's my producer. That is just the biggest smartass in the world. And my beautiful granddaughter enjoying the summer. It's broken. You can't fix that little thing. Charlie pointed that out to me. Today I'm back on keto. I gained 4 pounds back, and I'm trying to hide it with my little ruffly apron here. So today I'm making what I'm gonna call, I don't know, keto cheesecake mousse, we'll call it, okay? It's 4 ingredients. So in here I have an 8-ounce cube of cream cheese. And this is a sugar-free jell-o cheesecake flavored 0 sugar. 1 cup of heavy cream. And this is, I'm just making this for you guys for the first time. I don't know how it's gonna taste. And it says here to add water, but add water slowly. So I'm gonna kind of combine this and then come back with the water and show you how that incorporates. I just don't know how much it's gonna give me. Daddy, where are you gonna be my taste tester? The heavy cream is what makes it thicker, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna just kind of continue to do this.
That cream makes it thicker.
Shut up.
What?
It's heavy cream.
Heavy cream. Heavy
Shut up. Yeah, I'm going back to the mixing. I think that was one of the easiest recipes I've made so far. So I'm going to put it into these little serving, it says these little serving cups. I think these are like 3 or 4 ounces. I don't know how much these are.
What does that help?
Doesn't really help. But the recipe says that each little serving, which is like, these are probably 3 ounce.
Probably.
Are less than 4 carbs. So you can add carbs by adding like a cut up strawberry, or you can add sugar-free Ready Whip, but I don't think we need that. So who's taste testing, you or Danny?
What is it?
It's cheesecake. Cheesecake fluff.
It's not really my diet, but...
It's keto. This is my youngest, Danny boy.
Show us the food.
Show us the
What do I
food.
do? Just fucking eat it?
No,
No, show me the food.
show the food. Look at that. It's like, it's so easy to make.
Smell it, Dan. Tell us how
You can smell it. Smell it.
Tell us what you smell.
Do you smell cheesecake?
Put it in your mouth.
That's all you're tasting?
Well,
Billy boy,
are
I
you
want
making a whole cheesecake?
No, this is keto. This is what you get on keto. You don't get a whole cheesecake. Oh. Come on, Bill. Let me rinse this
No.
out. Yeah, I want you to taste it. It is good, actually.
Picture of it.
Make sure he's in frame. This is my oldest. I think they know by now. My middle one's at work.
I don't want to do.
You don't?
I don't.
God, you are such a weirdo.
Oh.
He's such a weirdo. He doesn't like anything.
Oh.
Does it taste like... You don't like cheesecake though,
I
right?
do not like cheesecake.
Well, then why did we have you taste it?
That's the best with me, apparently.
Well, I'm gonna. It is very good, isn't he? God, such an ass. It's very good. I'm gonna call it cheesecake fluff, keto cheesecake fluff. I'll post the recipe. 4 ingredients, easy peasy. I know my friend Lisa Campbell will try this recipe because she likes all the recipes. Don't forget, I have a new channel, So this is it right here. Click, subscribe, share, like, comment, give me recipes, because we're back. We are back. Thank you again for joining us in Mama Deb's Kitchen.